Hello children, today I have come with another new video for class 10 and the chapter's name today is probability. Now what is the meaning of probability? Something that is likely to happen is called probability. And probability of an event is denoted by letter PE. Now what is the meaning of event here in this statement? Now one more formula you can see here, PE. Here PE means probability of an event. Now what is the formula? Probability of an event is equal to favorable number of outcomes by total number of outcomes. Now let me explain you what is the meaning of probability of an event. Probability of an event. Now suppose there are 50 students in a classroom. Out of that 28 of them are boys and 22 of them are girls. So now if somebody asked you what is the probability of boys in the classroom, then we can say probability of boys equal to 28 by 50 because number of boys are 28 and total students are 50. So 28 by 50, when we simplify, it is 14 by 25, and probability of girls is equal to 22 by 50 because there are 22 girls out of 50 students. So 22 by 50, and when we simplify, it becomes 11 by 25. So here number of boys and number of girls, we can say it is an event of the question. So here event, I think I could make you understand. And there is one more formula, P not E equal to 1 minus PE. I will explain this formula with another example. So let me go to one more example. A letter is chosen at random from the letters of the word mathematics. Find the probability that the letter chosen is a vowel, a consonant, not a consonant. So now the question is, in mathematics there are vowels and consonants. So they are asking you the probability of a vowel and a consonant. So first of all, let us count the numbers in the letter mathematics. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. There are 11 letters. So we can say total number of letters in mathematics is 11. So our total number of outcome will be 11. That means total number of outcome, that is in the denominator of the formula. So our denominator will be 11 because total number of outcome is 11. Now they are asking you probability of vowel. So count the vowels in this mathematics. A, E, A, I. That means how many are there? 4. So we can say probability of a vowel is equal to 4 by 11. Why? Because there are 4 vowels and out of how many letters? 11 letters. So we can say favorable number of outcome here in this question is 4 and total number of outcome is 11. Similarly in consonant, the answer will be 7 by 11 because M, T, H, M, T, C, S. These 7 letters are consonants. So our answer is 7 by 11. Now number 3 question you can see, not a consonant. Now whenever you see a word not, you have to understand that we have to use formula number 2 because formula number 2 consists of not. So not E. Similarly not a consonant. So for this we have a formula 1 minus PE. So for this also we will write a formula using number 2. So P not a consonant. Here event is consonant. So P not a consonant is equal to 1 minus P consonant, that is PE. PE. Here event is consonant. So our answer will be 1 minus 7 by 11. Why 7 by 11? Because the answer of consonant is 7 by 11. So 1 minus 7 by 11, when we do LCM, our answer will be 11 minus 7 and finally we get 4 by 11. Now very similar type of questions I have given here children. There are only 3 questions and I have given answers in the bracket. Please do these questions. Very easy chapter. You will really enjoy and very simple chapter. So thank you children for watching my video. Thank you.